How to update logo in Tailor Brands. Head over to tailorbrands.com and log in with your email and password. Once inside, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, find the section labeled My Brands or Logo Designs. Click on the brand you want to update. Click the Edit Logo button. Now, you can modify your logo's icon, font, layouts, and colors. Tailor Brands gives you full flexibility to adjust the style until it matches your new vision. Once you're happy with the new look, hit Save and Continue. Your update logo will replace the old one across all your branding tools, like your website, social media kit, and business cards. Go to Logo Files section and download your updated logo in different formats, like PNG, SVG, or transparent background depending on your plan. So that's it.